Welcome, my friends. I'm very thankful to have you here today. I just, for the new people, want to make sure you understand the whole purpose of the channel. There's an unwritten rule of the channel. If you plan to profit from the information on this channel, you must follow this rule. It's a metaphysical rule for the channel, and that's to send 5% of the profits to one of these charities, pay it forward to one of these charities, or maybe you know a homeless person or something like that, somebody who needs money, pay it forward, keep the flow going through the universe. It also multiplies good deeds throughout the multiverse. And then 5% of the profits, say thank you, send it back to the channel here at the Cash App or the PayPal. That leaves you with 90% of the profits you wouldn't have made without the information anyways. Make sure you spend that money out of love, and the universe will send it back to you tenfold from all directions. My friends, thank you so much for supporting the channel with the paid version of the Netflix May reading. I'm sure you've already heard it's a great way to support the channel. We definitely know who you are. Feel free to shout out on the lives. And if you need anything, have any questions, please feel free to ask. We're here to help. And much appreciated you helping us fulfill our goal to expand the collective consciousness understanding of what the mind is capable of what reality is. By catching their attention with the stock market, by predicting the stock market, doing the impossible. In any case, with that said, there's quite a few trades in here. I want to try and stick to the clearest ones. Okay, so on the 8th, there's a resistance level on a one-day chart that'll stand out. It'll be an important resistance level towards the end of the day. And we decline off that resistance level into a like a rotation, a sideways rotation on the 9th. With an end of the day low, it looks like, and that would be the opportunity to get out of a short position there that was opened around that resistance level. On the 11th, after establishing support along key support level, rotating sideways, and then a fast sudden move higher, standing out on a 1 month chart there on the around the 11th, I would say that would be an opportunity to get into a short position again. And you can hold that short position until, for like I would say hold that short position in all likelihood until the 17th, in the midst of that big decline. On the 17th, there's a really notable decline here. This will really stand out, and then the following day, there's an unexpected move to the upside. So this is a really clear trade here. On the 17th, what I would do is open up a long position in the midst of that decline, and then the following day when we open, we likely open higher, or there's a rally early in the morning, I would close out for a profit at a key resistance level on a one-day chart there on the 18th. And I would open up a short position around the time that I close, or maybe a little later in the day. But I would open up a short position there on the 18th, which could be closed on the 24th. There's a day trade in there on the 22nd, but it's not the clearest. The day trade on the 30th, what you could do is open up a long position. Let's say in... No, I don't like that. Stay away from that day trade. But the best trade, I think, is probably here on the 11th. Opening up a short position and closing that short position either on the 17th, the 22nd, or the 24th. Probably the two best. Most prudent would be the 17th. Most lucrative would probably be the 24th, but it's more risky. And then also, you could position yourself here on the 22nd in both directions because there's enough price movement here on the 22nd to position yourself in both directions utilizing options. Put a leg on at a time. You would be able to make money to the downside on the 24th. You would be able to make money to the upside on the 30th. But you really want to position yourself. Make sure going into the following month that we're positioned to the upside here, based on this big move that we're going to see the following month. And it looks like a cash out opportunity towards the end of the month of June. That's Netflix for May 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. And as always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Super important for the channel and the multiverse. You do so here on our resources tab, as I'm sure you know. Much appreciated to all you angel investors out there. Much appreciated to all of you that support the channel. We'll see you on the next one. And blessings.